Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vedika. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing about how to master dental pulse. Right. I'm sure everyone who is preparing for NEET MDS is reading pulse. But as I told in my previous video, just reading is not enough. You have to revise it as many times as you can. So let's just quickly get into the video. Pulse comprises of three major parts. Number 1, synopsis. Number 2, MCQs. Number 3, explanations of the MCQs. Anyone who wants to master dental pulse will have to master these three things. Reading synopsis and explanations of the MCQs is quite similar. When you're reading it for the first time, you have to read everything from top to bottom. But make sure you underline the things which you find are quite important or you think you might forget. So when you're revising it, you'll only read the underlined things. So it will save your time and efforts by at least 40%. While you're revising it for the first time, make sure you now underline with another colored pen or pencil. Now, when you are revising the next time, you only have to read the other colored underlined portions. This is called smart work. Of course, you have to work very hard, but working hard smartly will definitely give you an edge. Now, when you are revising the other colored underlined portion, you have to use a highlighter to highlight the portions which you think you still will not remember or which you think is extremely important. Okay. Then, when you're revising the next time, you only will read the highlighted portion. When you're approaching exam, this method would really prove very helpful to you. This method has worked really well for me as well. Making big notes may not help you. Whatever extra books you read other than Pulse, I think you should note it down in Pulse only. Because I think making notes is simple, but revising the notes is even difficult. So, try to make a habit of writing everything in Pulse itself. Number 2, reading MCQs. While you are reading MCQs for the first time, you have to read everything, all the MCQs from top to bottom. Now, whatever MCQs you find difficult or you couldn't get them in the first go, you can circle them. So that next time when you're revising them, you only have to read the circled questions. Now, when you're reading for the third time, you have to read everything, all the MCQs from top to bottom again. And circle the questions which you still find difficult with another colored pencil or pen. Now, when you are revising the fourth time, you read the MCQs which you have circled in the first go and in the third go. Okay, so in most cases, these MCQs will be similar. You go wrong in the same questions again and again. So, you have to repeat the same every time you revise MCQs. One time you are reading all the MCQs and second time you are just revising the circled MCQs. But make sure you read all the explanations every single time. Except in the last 1 or 2 months when you can just read the question and check the answer. Other than that, I think you should always check the explanations. I hope you found this video informative. If you do, please share it with your friends. Thank you.